The National Weather Service has issued Severe Thunderstorm Watch number 84, effective until 2 o'clock a.m. Monday. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Marshall and Woodford. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
This is NOAA's weather radio, WXK24.
So there we have it, folks. The new severe thunderstorm watch. Yet again, a Radioshack did not activate. So, that's what's going on.